number. Give the heading as number systems. So just write on. I'll just dictate the notes. You can just copy this one. There are 4 kinds of number systems. There are 4 kinds of number systems. First one is called as decimal number system. Second one is called as binary number system. Third one is called as octal number system. Fourth one is called as hexadecimal number system. There are four kinds of number systems in digital systems. So first one is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So which is the first number system here? I have my decimal number system. The base or radix, we call it as either base or radix. The base or radix of decimal number system is 10. So the base or radix of decimal number system is 10. And decimal number system will be having 10 symbols, and decimal number system will be having 10 symbols ranging from 0 to 9. So the base or radix of decimal number system is 10, and the decimal number system has 10 symbols ranging from 0 to 9. Just write on next point. The weight is expressed, the weight is expressed in powers of, the weight is expressed in powers of 10. The weight is expressed in powers of 10. So we'll just take one particular example. So I'll just take an example here. So if I just have some number like this. So 5623.9. So if I write here, what I'm telling you this base means. So if I write any particular number here, so this in the bottom side I'm writing it as 10. So this indicates it is a decimal number system. So here if you just observe, I have the numbers from 0 to 9. I can have any numbers from 0 to 9 here. So how to express in terms of its weight? So here this number I can express like this. So 5 into, it is 5000. So it is 5 into 10 power 3 plus 6 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0 plus, so what should I do for after the decimal number?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. I have to give 9 into 10 power minus 1. So this will be 5000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 3 plus 0.9. So I'll be getting back this particular number. Decimal number system. So here I know this is 5623. So I have just written 5000 means it is 10 power 3. So instead how to write? So the same thing, how can I write? So I can write something like this: 5 into 10 plus 6 into 10 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 10 plus 9 into 10 first I'll write. So afterwards, where I have a decimal point here, I have a decimal point here. On to the right, I have to start numbering from -1. So on to the left, what should I do? I have to start numbering from 0. So 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 square, 10 cube. So this is how we have to express in terms of weight. So after writing this one, so here just write down one small word. We have something called as MSB, or this is called as most significant bit. Similarly, we have one more term called as LSB, least significant bit. So MSB means it is most significant bit. LSB means it is called as least significant bit. Just write down the definition for MSB. So the digit or the bit which has the digit or bit which has the digit or bit which has greatest weight. So the digit which has greatest weight. So in all these I have here, 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 here. Which is having more weight?
10 power 3.
So 10 power 3 is my
10 power 3, sir.
Is greatest weight. So this bit is my MSB bit here.
MSB.
So just write down next this one. The digit or bit, the digit or bit with lowest weight is called as LSB. So here which is having the lowest bit here? So -1 is my lowest. So here this is my LSB. So MSB is this one, LSB is this particular bit. In decimal number system, we have the base or radix as 10, and I'll be having the elements from ranging from 0 to 9, and I can express this in terms of weights of 10, powers of 10. So now just write down second one. Second number system is called as binary number system. Have you heard about the word binary?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, binary means it is 2 basically. So in the binary number system, I'll be having the radix from as radix or base. Radix or base as 2. So in the binary number system, I'll be having the radix or base as 2. One more thing before going to this binary number system, always whenever any number system, if I have the base as some n, I'll be having the elements ranging from 0 to n minus 1. So previously when I had decimal number system, what was there? I had the base as 10. So 0 to n minus 1 means what? 0 to 10 minus 1. So it is 0 to 9. So if I take any number system, base n number system, I'll be having the elements as from 0 to n minus 1. So now here in binary number system, I have the base as 2. So what all elements can I have? So I have the base as 2. So I can have the elements from ranging from 0 to 2 minus 1. So it is 0 to 1. Either it can be 0 or 1. I have only 2 options here. So this is called as binary number system. Copy this one. Number system means here binary meaning is the radix will be 2. Okay, means base of that number will be 2. I'll take one example now. Okay, so whenever I take any base, so if the base of the number system is n, so I'll be having the numbers ranging from 0 to n minus 1. So now if I take the base as 2, so I can have the numbers ranging from 0 till n minus 1. What is the value of n here? In place of n, I have 2. So it is 2 minus 1. So I can have the numbers ranging from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 means what are numbers I'll be having? Either I can have 0 or I can have 2. Sorry, I can have 1. So only 2 numbers are coming here. So I will just take one example so that your doubt will be clear. So I'll just take one example. I'll just take 1 0 1 0 with base 2. So what is this here? So here what is it showing? It is a binary number system. So 2 indicates it is a binary number system. So what all elements I have? Either I have 1 or 0. So now if I want to express this in terms of weights, powers of 2. So what I'll do? 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. First I just written what all elements are there into multiplied by 2 I have written. So afterwards there is no decimal point here. If there is no decimal point in this one, so I have to start with 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. So what is the value of 2 cube? 2 cube means it is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So it is 8 plus 0 multiplied by anything is 0.
0
Plus 1 into 2 power 1 is 2.
2
Plus 0 into 2 power 0 is 0. So I am getting the value as 10 here.
and
So this is with respect to base 10. So this whatever I have written in terms of base 2, it is having the equivalent value in the decimal number system as 10 here. If you just in this particular example here also it is coming as 1 0. We'll just take one more example. So I'll just take it as 1 1 0 0. So if I take 1 1 0 0, what will happen?
12 will come.
12
See 1 1 0 0, if I just take, I'll be getting 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. So I'll be getting it as 12 with base 10. So in your decimal number system, I'll be only having 0 or 1. But in your binary number system, we'll be having either 0 or 1. In decimal number system, I can have any numbers ranging from 0 to 9.
0 to 9.
To this binary number system?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So can you just people try for this particular example? 1 0 1 0 1 1 with base 2 you can try. 1 0 1 1 with base 2 you can try. You can update the answers through the chat window. I'll be checking over there.
43
So it should be 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 16 32. 32 8 2 1. So how much? 43 you are getting?
yes
Yeah.
sir
Correct. So first one was
Yes,
decimal
sir.
number system. So where I had my base or radix as 10. Second one is called as decimal number system. Second one is binary number system where I had my base as 2. So third one is called as
Octal number system.
Octa.
octal number system. So octal means what? So probably you would have heard about this one, octagon, right?
This one.
So what is
8.
octagon? So it is a
8.
thing which is having 8 sides. So similarly here, octal meaning is 8. So here I'll be having the radix as 8. If the radix is 8, how many what all numbers will I have?
0 to 7.
0 to
0
7.
to 7. So if I have some number like this, 92 with base 8, is it octal number?
No.
No, sir.
Can I have a octal number like this?
No, sir.
Right? Because 9 is not a octal number. It is not a octal number. So I cannot have a number like this. So in the examination also, whenever you are solving any numerical, if you are getting any answer like this by mistake, so you can easily say that whatever you have done is wrong. So you can verify that one. So we'll just take one example. Just write down octal number system as radix equal to 8, as radix equal to 8, and has elements ranging from 0 to 7. So it can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So try to convert this particular thing, 432 with base 8. So how should I write this one first? So I have to write
4 into
4 into
4 into 8
plus 3 into
plus 3 into 8
plus
plus 2 into 8.
So I have to start giving the powers from LSB bit. So it is
8
2
per
power
0.
8 power 0, sorry. 8 power
8
1,
per 2.
8 square.
Sorry.
So 4 into 8 square means 4 into 64 plus 3 into 8 plus 2. So how much is 4 into 64? So it will be 128, 128, 256.
56.
Plus 3 into 8 means it will be 24 plus 2. How much? You just do the addition. So 260, 280, 282.
282.
282.
So I'll be getting 282. This is with respect to base 10.
Base 10.
Can you just try this one? 270 with base 8. Tell me the decimal value.
$152.
No, just check. It is not 152.
184, sir.
184.
184.
Yeah,
184.
Yeah. I'll be getting 2 into 8 square. So 2 into 8 square is 8 square is 64. So it will be 128 plus 7 into 8. 7 8 is how much? 49, 56. So this I'll be getting it as 184.
180.
Means you have to do like this. I'm just doing here directly. I'm just doing the addition. So whenever you are writing in the examination, what you have to do? 2 into 8 square plus 7 into 8 power 1 plus 0 into 8 power 0. So
We should show the calculation, sir.
yeah, you have to show the calculation.
Sir, at last we have to keep the base as 10, right?
Yes. So whenever you do a conversion like this, always it will convert to the decimal number system.
Always you have to keep 10, sir, base.
No. Here, whenever you do in this particular fashion, it will convert to the base 10. So decimal number system only it will convert. Okay. Okay, last, what is the last one? So it is hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal means how much will be the radix? Hexa means it is, hexa is 6. Decimal is 10. So 6 plus
16.
10. So it will be 16. So I'll be having the radix as 16. So what all elements can I have here?
Sir, 0 to
0 to 15, sir.
So I can have the elements as 0 to 15. But assume that I have written 14 like this. I cannot differentiate here whether it is a decimal number system or hexadecimal number system, right? So there will be a confusion whether it is a decimal number system or hexadecimal number system. So how to solve this particular thing?
So we
0 to 9. So from 10 what I'll do, so I'll name this 10 as A and 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E and 15 as F. So I can now denote this 14 as what? So this 14 can be denoted as E. So if I see E, so this is my hexadecimal number. So this is my hexadecimal number. 0 to 9 I'll be representing in a normal way. From 10 I'll be using this particular notation, A to F. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. We'll just in a similar fashion what we have done in the last class, we'll try to find the decimal equivalent. So now I'll just give one example. What we'll do, we'll take B, C with base 16. So I want to find it for BC with base 16. BC with base 16 if is given. So what should I do? I have to write B multiplied with 16 plus C multiplied with 16. So this is 16 power 0. This is 16 power 1. So what do you mean by B now? So A is 10. I have A is 10, B as 11, C as 12. So in place of B I can write it as how much? 11 into 16 plus C means it is 12. So 12 into 1. So how much is 16 11s? So it will be
176.
176. So it will be 176 plus 12. So this will be equal to 188
188.
with base 10. Can you just try for this one? 4E2 with base 16.
1250. So 1250.
So it is 14 into 16 square plus E means it is how much? 14. E means it is 14 into 16 plus 2. So 16 square means it is 256. So 4 into 256
0 to
plus
4.
how much it will come? 14 16 sir?
224.
224.
224 plus 2. So this is 512, 1024 plus 224 plus 2. So this will be 10.
1250, sir.
1250.
Yes, sir.
This is the
50.
final answer. You understood, right? These are the 4 number systems what I have. I have
Sir,
yeah,
finally we should put bracket 10, is it, sir? The decimal thing.
yeah, I have to put it as with base. Thank you for watching.